Hello, I'm Karen, and you might recognise me from the Great British Bake Off. Yes, 4 years ago I was one of the fortunate 12 bakers invited along into that iconic tent. But what you might not know is that I'm actually mad keen on all to do with caravans, motorhomes, camping, the whole lifestyle really. I'm going to be joining everybody at the Southern Motorhome and Campervan show at Newbury. Yes, very excited, very excited. I'm going to be doing some stuff as well. I'm going to be doing, let's see, demos, cooking outside on the Cadac, and also I'm going to be chatting at a talk about the time that me and my husband John left home and went to work in the industry in France for 7 whole seasons. And also, my favourite bucket list tick, I'm going to be helping to call the bingo. Eyes down, look in. So here we are, this is my banquet. I've cooked everything outside on my Cadac or Cadacs, including these, what are these? And the smorgasbord and everything. So I think it's so colourful and so brilliant, and I'll be doing this live at the Newbury show. So here we are inside our trusty caravan. We've had this caravan a few years, but it's actually about 23 years old, isn't it? Oh, this is my husband John, by the way. We've had caravans, motorhomes, tents, yep, all sorts. Okay. And we've spent about 30 years now, off and on, mostly on, travelling around in France and tipping into like other European countries as well. So we've got quite a bit of experience, I think. We got our children left home when they went to universities, and we were with the empty nest syndrome. So we did something about it, and people thought we were a bit bonkers really, but we had a right good time. We sort of went and worked in France for a holiday industry basically, but our job was looking after caravans and tents and lots of other things involved with that, of course. The first season we actually lived in a big tent for the whole season, didn't we, in Burgundy. Oh, we had some good fun, absolutely. So yeah, please, like, come and join me. John will be with me, possibly even my girls, I don't know, they might tip in, and fill you in. It was great fun, and I would hope to inspire people maybe to do something similar themselves. So on Saturday and Sunday at 11 in the morning, I'm going to be doing cooking demos with a swinging 60s Peace Man theme, and on the same Saturday and Sunday afternoon at 2:30 I'll be doing a talk about my time that I went away with John to France and worked in the industry. So I look forward to seeing you all there. Bye for now.